Have you ever wanted to call a friend you haven't talked to in a long time, but you weren't sure what to say in English? In today's video, you'll learn natural, polite, and friendly phrases to help you reconnect with confidence. Make sure you stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases you can use in real life. And if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more English practice. Alright, let's get started.
Hello?
Hi, is this Alex?
Yes, speaking. Who's calling?
Hi, Alex, it's Jamie. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time.
Jamie. Wow, it's been such a long time. It's really nice to hear your voice. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. I was just wondering if now is a good time to talk.
Yes, it is. I'm actually really glad you called. How have you been?
I've been doing pretty well, thank you. To be honest, I've been thinking about calling you for a long time, but life kept getting busy.
I completely understand. Life moves so fast, and sometimes days turn into months without us realizing it.
Exactly. I know it's been a while, so I wanted to say I'm sorry for not calling sooner.
Please don't worry about that. I'm just happy to hear from you now.
That really means a lot. I missed our talks and the way we used to catch up.
I miss them too. So, tell me, what have you been up to lately?
Well, work has been pretty busy. I recently started a new project, and it's been both challenging and exciting.
That sounds interesting. What kind of project is it?
It's a team project, so I've been learning how to communicate better, manage my time, and stay organized.
Those are really valuable skills. It sounds like you're learning a lot.
I am. Some days are tiring, but I also feel proud of myself for handling it.
That's great to hear. How do you relax after a long day?
Lately, I've been trying to unplug in the evenings. Less phone time, more quiet moments.
That's a healthy habit. I've been doing something similar.
Really? What have you been doing?
I've started going for evening walks and listening to music or podcasts. It helps clear my mind.
That sounds so peaceful. I should try that sometime.
You should. It makes a big difference, even if it's just a short walk.
I've also been cooking more at home. I'm still learning, but it's fun.
That's awesome. Cooking is such a useful life skill.
It is. I'm not great yet, but I enjoy trying new recipes.
What's your favorite thing to cook so far?
Probably simple meals, pasta, soups, and easy dishes.
Those are great choices. Simple food can be very comforting.
I agree. It feels good to take care of yourself in small ways.
Absolutely. How about friends and family? Have you been seeing them much?
A little, but not as much as I'd like. This call actually reminded me how important staying connected is.
I feel the same way. It's easy to lose touch without meaning to.
Yes, and I don't want that to happen again.
Me neither. We should try to talk more often.
I'd really like that. Maybe we can plan regular calls.
That's a great idea. Maybe once every couple of weeks?
That sounds perfect and very doable.
I'm really glad you reached out today.
Me too. I feel lighter after talking with you.
Same here, it's always nice to reconnect with someone who knows you well.
I don't want to keep you too long, but thank you for making time for me.
Of course, you can always call me.
Thank you. Let's promise not to wait so long next time.
Deal, let's talk again soon.
Take care, Alex.
You too, Jamie, bye.
Bye. Before we finish, let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases together.
It's been a while. It's been a while is a phrase used to say you have not seen or talked to someone for a long time. Example: it's been a while since we last talked. Is now a good time to talk? Is now a good time to talk? Is a polite question used to check if someone is free to talk. Example: is now a good time to talk or should I call later? I just wanted to check in. I just wanted to check in is a friendly phrase meaning you are calling to see how someone is doing. Example: I just wanted to check in and see how you've been. Life gets busy. Life gets busy is an expression meaning daily responsibilities take up a lot of time. Example: I didn't call sooner because life gets busy. Time flies. Time flies is an expression meaning time passes very quickly. Example: I can't believe a year passed already. Time flies.
I really missed our talks. I really missed our talks is a phrase used to express that you miss talking with someone. Example: I really missed our talks and catching up with you. To catch up. To catch up is a phrase meaning to share updates about your life after time apart. Example: let's catch up and talk about what we've been doing. I've been meaning to call you. I've been meaning to call you is a phrase meaning you planned to call but did not do it yet. Example: I've been meaning to call you, but I kept forgetting. That sounds great. That sounds great is a friendly response meaning something feels positive or exciting. Example: meeting again soon? That sounds great. Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon is a polite way to end a conversation while showing interest in the future. Example: I need to go now, but let's talk again soon. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.